Good morning. So today we are covering our grapes with these big nettings that I got from Amazon. They are pretty big, so the whole grape will be able to drop in there. I've already done some of it, so let's finish up this grape arch so the birds don't take most of it. Okay, all right.
This while I was watching.
Okay, all done. The rest of it is gonna be for birds. They can come and eat whatever they want. So I'm done with that. Let me show you the biggest strawberry on the property right now.
This while I was watching in the night vision.
This thing is huge. My goodness. That's the biggest one. I had to protect it. It's sitting under the grapes.
While I was
Okay, that's it for today. I covered up as much as I could. Maybe I can finish the other ones tomorrow or something with the bigger netting. I have come to a conclusion that the little small bags, they're for like a one fruit. But if you have multiple fruit on the branch, you definitely need the bigger ones, the white ones. All right, that's it.